Hi all, welcome to another KENWOOD video. This is the DMX8021. This has been installed into a lovely 2018 Hymer Motorhome. Full cameras on this vehicle, so we have reversing camera, side viewed camera for waste. We have a twin lens rear camera so we can look at the tow ball or look down the road. See a glorious picture of our shutters. We've added a switch so you can flick between the two options like so. But as you can see, this is one of the best screens that's out there. Exceptionally good quality screen. The touch screen is very responsive. Also used an ACV installation kit, which is a KENWOOD partner. Makes this fit beautifully into this vehicle. Stalk control works as it should do. Another great installation. Thanks for watching.